powered by liquid propane gas and 2D batteries. The Fogatti portable water heater can be used in a variety of scenarios without even electricity. You can take a shower by connecting the shower hose to adjust the flow rate and temperature to meet your expectations. There is no need to wait for the water heater to heat up. It only takes a few seconds to reach your set temperature, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable hot shower. Fogatti portable water heater is CSA certified and has a high-quality cold-rolled surface and a copper heat exchanger inside.